loves, in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys how you can lighten up your skin with fair and white so white skin perfector. So if you are someone that got this lotion and it is not lightening your skin, probably you want a lotion to lighten up your skin or a routine to make your skin lighter, but this lotion here is not lightening your skin, well, I'm going to show you guys how you can actually lighten up your skin and not change your lotion. You don't need to change this lotion. And for those of you that also do not want to promise it, because I've talked about how to promise this lotion to get a lighter shade, so if you're someone that doesn't like promising lotion, then in this video I'm going to be sharing with you guys routine products to add to this fair and white to actually lighten up your skin, because this is a lotion that I've been using for the longest of time. So there are some particular products that I have used with it that actually made a whole lot of difference. So the first thing is that we're going to be picking a body scrub, because when it comes to the body and skincare products working, the first thing you should tackle is dead skin cells. So first thing, I'm going to share with you guys some particular body scrubs that I have used that actually made a significant difference with the fair and white lotion. So the first on my list is the Alpha Arbutin body scrub. So when I used that body scrub with this lotion, there was a huge difference and it actually brightened up my skin. Alpha Arbutin body scrub will brighten your skin, help to remove dead skin cells effectively from your skin, make your skin to shine, give you a very good shade brighter. So that's one scrub that actually made a huge difference. So another body scrub that I actually used that made a lot of difference was this Cosmo Glow white brightening body scrub. So this one here also brightened my skin, but the main focus of this body scrub was glow. Like this lotion on its own, the fair and white, is a lotion that will give you a glowing skin. So now using a body scrub that actually glows the skin, it was massive. For those that love to have a glowy skin, not like you are so concerned about too much brightening or lightening, but you want your skin to be shiny, looking very radiant, this combo was super amazing. So the next body scrub I also used was the Cool Spa body scrub. That was an affordable body scrub that actually gets the work done. It glows my skin, brightened up my skin, exfoliate the skin super well. It is not sensitive on the skin. It's not the type of scrub that I will have to be, shouting in the bathroom of itchiness or burning. So it was very good and mild on the skin. You can pick any of these body scrub. They all brighten the skin. They are all effective, and it is also very important. Scrubbing the skin is very important. If you don't scrub your skin, you can actually get the benefits from using any lotion, not just the fair and white. You will not really get a good benefit from body lotion. So you have to scrub your skin first. So just pick any of those body scrub. Honestly, you're going to love it, because those were the ones that stood out for me since I've been using this lotion. This one here is the Cosmo Glow Lightening. The one I showed you guys before is the brightness. So I am almost done with this body scrub. This body scrub will lighten your skin, just as the name says, lightening body scrub. When you want to lighten your skin, you want to see your skin actually a shade lighter, then you pair this particular scrub with the lotion. So now you have 4 body scrubs to pick from. For those of you that want a lighter shade, you go for this. And for those of you that want a glowy shade, you go for this particular one. Then for the Alpha Arbutin, that is also a very good brightening shade. Same with the Cool Spa. So that also glows the skin and brightens the skin together. So these 4 body scrubs I've recommended, just pick one of it and use it with the lotion. So how you're going to use body scrub is you use it twice in a week. You don't need to use it every day. You don't need to use it too often. 2 times every week. Just pick particular days you always scrub your skin in the week, then you scrub your skin. So the next thing is body wash. So the body wash that I have used, because I have used various body wash, I'm just specifically showing you guys products that have worked better on my skin alongside with the fair and white lotion. So this particular St. Ives body wash, this is the best body wash I have used so far. Not just about pairing it with the fair and white lotion. This body wash will even out your skin, will glow your skin, will brighten your skin. Honestly, I'm planning on restocking it very soon. You can see I've never used body wash so fast the way I use this particular body wash. It just gives you an even skin tone. And honestly, this fair and white is a lotion that helps a lot with unevenness of the skin. Now pairing it up with a body wash like this, your skin is going to be sparkling. Your skin is going to be very, very even out. Somehow I am even forced to say this body wash lightens the skin, but I know it is just the routine. Like when it's inside this particular routine that I'm showing you guys, your skin will lighten up. So this body wash will really brighten your skin. if brightening should be rated over 10, this body wash is 10 over, in fact 11 over 10. It will brighten your skin very, very well. So you're going to actually love the effect. So this one here is a shower gel. This one is for lightening. So while using the shower gel with this lotion, it lightens my skin. So if you want a lighter shade while using the Fair and White, you want your skin to look lighter, then you go with this shower gel. And this shower gel here, I don't really like to use it every single day. So if you want to get this shower gel, I'll say you should not use it every single day, because it is an exfoliating shower gel and it really exfoliates the skin. On days where I have exhausted my body scrub, I use this shower gel as both my scrub and my body wash together. It is very effective and it is very big and it will last you for a long time. So the next thing is some good bar soaps that I actually paired up with this lotion that have made a very huge difference on my skin. So the first one is the Nano Extra White soap. Honestly, if you have been on my channel for long, you see me always talk about Nano Extra White soap, because the soap helps to even out the skin, helps to clear dark spots, discoloration. It helps a lot to just, you know, give you that even fine tone. Here is the soap, Nano Extra White soap. The soap is even rebranded now, and this one is not even as effective as the one I was using before, which is the old brand, but still it still gives that good result of having an even skin tone and having that fine radiant skin. So another soap I've also paired up with the Fair and White to get a very good result, because the Nano Extra White soap with the lotion is kind of really, let me say, brightening, not really lighting much. It just still brightens the skin. So another soap I also pair with it is the Koji Sand soap. This one here is a soap I use like twice in a week. So I won't really say using it twice a week have made my skin got lighter with the lotion, but it just kind of help brighten my skin a little bit, like my shade, just make my shade brighter a little bit. The only time I actually significantly see way lighter results using this soap with the lotion was when I try using this soap like morning and evening of the 2 times in a week I use it. What I mean is that this soap, I don't use it every single day, so I use it twice in a week. So that twice in a week that I'm using it, I use it morning and evening. And when I'm using it in the morning, I make sure that particular day I'm not going out, so I stay indoor with my sunscreen, because you cannot actually use this type of soap and go and stay under the sun even with your sunscreen. So this is another soap I've actually paired with it that I liked, kind of brighten my skin, really helped a lot. So the next soap I actually do pair with it is this Dove Pink. This one here has been very effective. The Dove Pink here just maintains my skin. It does not darken my skin, and that's something I like, because I don't like product that when I use it on my skin start getting darker. So it maintains the skin, and when you also pair it up with yours, you are going to notice it brightens the skin. So this soap here is just a really good brightening soap. Not like it has an ingredient to actually give you shades lighter, but it just kind of give you a glowing, brighter skin. So another soap I also paired with this lotion to get a very good result is the Turmeric with Honey Bar soap. That one is also very effective. And again, Alpha Arbutin Collagen soap. Honestly, I've really used various good soaps, and I always talk about them on my channel. The soaps I've used with it, they are always very effective. So you can try out any of this soap at all that I've showed you guys. They are very effective. They just work better with this Fair and White So White Skin Perfector. So one thing about this lotion is that for those of you that don't already use this lotion but just want to know more about it, this lotion is a brightening lotion and doesn't lighten the skin. It makes your skin very soft. Tries as much as possible to make sure your skin is even out at all times when you're using this lotion. It doesn't cause any discoloration, doesn't cause any green veins. It just gives you an even healthy looking skin. And this lotion here, I've been using it for a very long time, like years, and it gives a better result. So I still do come back to it even if I try out other lotion, because this one works well for my skin. So if you're someone that is looking for results like that, a lotion to brighten up your skin and even skin tone, unless I forget, this lotion also gives a glowy skin. So that's the special thing about this particular lotion, the Fair and White So White Skin Perfector. So the next thing I'll quickly share is body oil that I've paired up with this lotion to actually get a very good result. So for me is the Vit Gold Vitamin C body oil. So I've used various oil, like I've used a lot of body oils. So the best one I have used with this lotion to get a very good result is the Vit Gold vitamin C body oil. So I normally get the one that comes in a small bottle like this. So for my last purchase, I was supposed to get the vitamin C, but I mistakenly got this turmeric again. So this one is effective, but the vitamin C of it is the best combo with the Fair and White So White Skin Perfector, so I highly recommend that. You can actually pick from this product that I've talked about, like the body scrub, the bar soaps. You can pick any one of it, just the way I've explained what each of them do to the skin. So for your skin concern, you just pick the one I talked about and then pair it up with the Fair and White So White Skin Perfector, and you will see a better result. For those of you that want to lighten your skin, there are some products that I said will lighten your skin, so you pair it up with it. And for those of you that just want to see brightness, even skin tone, glow, you also heard some of the products I talked about that will give you that very good result. So these are some of the best products that I've paired with this lotion to actually get a very good result. So that brings us to the end of the video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please subscribe to see you in my next video.